hello, how you doing? My name is Tehja, and today I finally returned from my hibernation. I know it has been a while. 2022 was rough. it was rough. And so, I had to go and recalibrate, but I'm back again with a extra special project that I was actually working on last year, but is finally coming to fruition this year, and I'm finally finishing up the look because it was a very, very big look. But if you can't tell by the title, today is day one, or kind of like the prep, let me like catch you up on what I've been doing video of me creating a Beyonce Renaissance inspired ensemble look, fashion project, whatever you want to call it. I've been working on this since July of last year. Whenever the British Vogue cover came out, that's when I've been working on it, because I was like super inspired by like the era that Beyonce's been in for this album, and just like, and I love pretty much from like the 50s to the 80s, like fashion and just kind of like the nostalgia of it and the era of it with the glamour part of it. And so I was feeling the vibes. I was loving the looks. So I decided to make a inspired outfit based off of what I saw from the British Vogue cover. But then, then the album hit, and I got the Renaissance fever, and I couldn't, I just love the album so much, so I just like put my love of the album into the outfit. I say all that to say today is the first episode, or the first day of my Beyonce Renaissance fashion project, okay? So I'm gonna break down kind of like my thought process, what I'm doing, what it's gonna look like. And then I'll probably go over the materials at the end. We'll see. All the materials will be linked in each video for each section that I'm doing. But anyway, let's get on to the concept of how I came up with this look. So first, this is the sketch that I sketched out when I was thinking Beyonce Renaissance, because I was thinking what I saw in the British Vogue cover and also the spread of her in British Vogue, and then what she typically wears, like what's her style aesthetic for like performance looks. And I kind of came up with this look. I know it's not color. I'm just a lazy fashion illustrator. Like I just don't, I don't color. I'd rather sew the thing and see the colors in my mind than to color my sketches. So sorry about that, y'all, but y'all will see the vibes. But I was thinking for this look, lots of burgundies, reds, blacks, purples, stuff like that. Very like warm, kind of like almost like vampire-y, but not really, but like comfy vampire, because vampires that give me cold energy, but it's like very like kind of dark, seductive, femme fatale kind of, aesthetic. Because from the British Vogue cover, like as you saw, there was a lot of reds and blacks in the look. Lots of reds and blacks and lots of texture of fabrics in what she was wearing and all that stuff. And then even if you peeped some of the photos that came out after I sketched the look, when she released the album and she had all that merch and all those photos on her website, that there was also like lots of reds in a lot of the photos as well. It's actually one outfit, I think it's for Alien Superstar, whenever the visuals are coming, but I think it's for Alien Superstar, that she is in something that's like red and it's like different hues of red rhinestones on it, which I was like, because that's what the cape of this outfit is supposed to be. So the breakdown of this sketch is kind of like it was supposed to be burgundy, warm, toasty, like leather, patent leather for the Roxy bodysuit, but it's like, instead of it being the traditional Roxy bodysuit, which is the kind of like sweetheart neckline that I did for the Playboy bunny suit tutorial, it's more of a cut Scarlet Witch type of V deep plunge neckline. And then it has like Renaissance over, ooh, one of my nails fell off, Lord. Okay, and then it's supposed to have Renaissance rhinestoned in like a font that I'm gonna design in clear rhinestones. Then the cape is supposed to be like, it was supposed to be more of a burgundy. The fabric I got was red, like just blatant red, but it was supposed to be more of like a deeper wine red cape out of organza, and it's supposed to have like these rhinestone swoopy details on it. Then a big ass hat. I don't know what the hat's gonna look like, but a big ass hat. Oh, also going back to the cape, I thought I was gonna put like black ostrich or marabou trim on the edge, on the hem of it, but I decided not to when I was making it because it was a little bit too much. Then I wanted to wear fishnets with this look, but the fishnets weren't rocking. It just didn't work. But I added fishnets. That was supposed to be rhinestoned with red rhinestones, but it was supposed to be like a skin tone fishnet. And then for the gloves, it's supposed to be dark burgundy leather gloves that have like a folded down kind of hem, even though like I also omitted that, but it was supposed to be like a nice folded down hem. And then the same fabric for the boots, very thigh high or hip high pointed leather boots. So that was the aesthetic. That was the plan for the majority of the outfit. Lots of rhinestones on the cape, but not really, and also the fishnets, but not really anywhere else. Also, the boot was supposed to have buckles on it. Decided that, you know, I love more is more. That's my aesthetic. But, you know, some editing happened as I was making this outfit. So that is the sketch. And so, like I said before, the inspiration mostly for this look was from the British Vogue spread. And just kind of like, and mixed with what she does for her tour looks as well. So I like kind of combined those two together to come up with this look. So throughout the next, I don't know, like 10 days or something like that. I don't know. I don't know how long it's going to be, but throughout the next few videos, I'll be showing you how I sewed and rhinestoned and created everything a part of this outfit. And then I'll show you the final look at the very, very, very end. So please stay tuned and keep along with the video so you see how I created the look. And so you can be even more like surprised at how it came out all together at the end. But it's a journey, and it was a very fun journey for me. Very stressful because a lot of things went wrong. But all in all, I had fun. The look came out fabulous, and I just can't wait for y'all to see it. I'll also be posting shorts first that kind of like previews the process of how I made the outfit, and then I'll be posting the full-length video and explaining how I actually sewed and made the things of this outfit. So I hope y'all enjoy. If you want to get a sneak peek of the shorts that I'll be using, you can go on my TikTok because they're already up there to see how, you know, to get a little sneak peek. And like I said, on here on YouTube, I'll break down everything. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. And also the patterns will be linked. I'll probably just have one pattern, which is the kind of edited Roxy bodysuit. I'm calling it the Roxanna Bodysuit. It'll be available on my Etsy and also for my Patreon down below. And then also on my Patreon, I'll be having the rest of the tutorials of how I pattern the boots and maybe the cape and stuff like that. I'll see. I'll figure it out. But please check out my Patreon down below. It'll be linked. You know, and pick a tier. But in order to have access to the patterns available to download, it will be at the, I believe, the $20 tier. So please keep that in mind. But the tutorials, I believe, are available for the lower tiers as well. And then you can always pledge your own amount of money as well. So I think that's pretty much it for this video. I will see y'all in the next video. It'll probably be posted in a couple of days. So turn on your post notifications, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you get notified when a new video comes up. So, you know, you don't have to be lurking and searching, you know. It'll just be a notification sent straight to your email, phone, you know, notification, and also when you log on to YouTube, you'll see it as well. So that is it for this video. You saw everything of my thought process of how I came up with this look. So yeah, so I'll see you next video. Stay tuned, turn on your post notifications, subscribe, and check out the rest of my content, and everything will be linked down below. So anyway, lovelies, as always, please love yourself, and I will see you next video. Mwah!